Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to enter payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you're having this type of problem, your payment method was declined, updated or add a new payment method. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device while entering the payment method. So here you can see that when I try to enter the payment method, here's a problem, your payment method was declined. So how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device? So first of all, here make sure that you have entered the correct debit or credit number, and here make sure that you are entering the correct expiry date, and make sure that your card is not expired and your card is not also blocked from your bank. And here most important thing, make sure that your security code number of your debit or credit number is correct and it's up to the date. Then after that, tap on done, then check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So here I will have to search for App Store on my iPhone device. So here is the App Store, you will have to tap on this and you will have to open this. Then here you will have to wait a while, then here tap on your Apple ID profile. Then after that you will see this type of interface. Again here you will need to tap on your Apple ID. So after that here you will have to wait a while, again it's processing. So here it's loading, you will have to wait a while. So after that you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here is the option of country origin. Here you will have to select your country origin. Then after that again here you will have to wait a while, it's processing. So after that here you will need to tap on change country origin. So after that here you will have to select your own country where you are living or your banks belong. So here I'm going to select my own country where I'm living. Here you will have to select your country where you are living. So after that here you will have these are the terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions. So if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will have to tap on agree here. Then after that here you will see this type of interface. Here you will have again your payment method on your iPhone device. Here you will have to enter your debit or credit card number. Make sure that you are entering the correct debit or credit card number, and here make sure that you are entering the correct expiry date. Make sure that expiry month should be of 2 digits and the expiry year should be of 4 digits. Then here you will have to enter the 3-digit security code that will be the mention on the back side of your debit and credit card. So here you will have to enter your billing address. Here you will have to enter your city. Then here you will need to enter your postcode. If you don't know the postcode of your city, then you can check from Google. Then from here you will have to enter your mobile phone number, then tap on done, then tap on next. So after that hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. In this way you can fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So thanks for watching this video.